As in any business, leaders in a manufacturing company know that they have some amount of error, waste, and inefficiency in their operations. Be it waste on rejects, 10,000 mislabeled products, a mysteriously rejected 5,000-pound batch, there are no real limits on the amount of opportunity that exists to improve operations. To combat this analysis paralysis, Avanceon has implemented a best practice and the tried and true concept of eating the elephant in multiple bites while picking the easiest and most tender spot to start. Easy bite number 1, visibility. It is very difficult to fight what you can't see. Most manufacturing problems can be identified by putting a light on them. When asked how the operations is running, most plants know generally, but will not know definitively until the reports come out in a few days, week, or at the end of the month. Easy bite number 1 is to mine your control systems for KPIs and display them on a web page or existing SCADA or HMI. Easy bite number 2, look to the past to predict the future. Manufacturing is not an exception to this rule. If we do not look backwards and understand what occurred, we cannot expect to improve moving forward. Once you have KPIs established, put them into a historian and create reports. In the end, MES is more successfully started by taking small steps towards understanding your plant's key areas and indicators and being able to look backwards to justify the closer and more granular look that MES can provide.